Hey guys, I totally forgot to film an intro, but today's look is gonna be on this look. I really love how it came out and I hope you guys love it too. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the color Karma, which is the reddish orange from the palette right here. Now I'm gonna jump into this color right here called Bittersweet and apply this in the outer part and into the crease. And I'm whispering because my roomie's asleep. I woke up around 5 a.m. today and I decided to film this look, so that's the reason why I'm whispering. Sorry guys. And I'm going back into Karma and just kind of blending those two colors together. I know it looks a little crazy, but once we cut the crease, it's gonna look so much better. Now I'm gonna jump into the color called Cocoa and then darken that outer part. And now I'm gonna go ahead and cut the crease and to set the concealer, I'm going to use the color Naked, which is this like skin tone color, very cream, and I'm just going to set the concealer with it. And I'm going to jump into color Flower. It's a bright yellow, and I'm going to put it in the inner. Whoa. Did not expect it to be that bright. Inner part of my eye right here. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put mascara, lashes, and do the rest of my face, and I'll be right back. So this is the final look right here. I really like how it came out. I paired it with a new lip, as always. I know I need to switch it up, but I really like how this palette came out. I love the eyeshadow and the pop of yellow. I did struggle a little bit, but this eye is kind of like patchy because it's like more on the dry side right now, like my eyelid. But everything else looks really good. I wish I had like more dramatic lashes, but I ran out. But anyways, I hope you guys like this tutorial, and I'll see you guys on my next one.